I bought this clamp from Woolcraft, this thing that tightens, and also this thing. You can buy this thing also from the shoemaker store, which you put in your shoe, which can make the shoe longer and also wider, but like as you can see the quality varies, and if you use it a lot it will break. Here we got our new shoes, some Vans, and I will try them on and see how they fit. This shoe is a little bit tight, like right here. So I will use this thing to pressure out like the spot. What I do is I put this clamp inside the shoe, and then I feel like the pressure point was right there. So I put this thing, and I just press this, and as you can see it gets wider right here by pressing. And to not break the shoe, I also used a little bit of heat. So this is just a ordinary heat gun, which I just warm up the shoe with. So I still widen it a bit. And release, and move this thing a little bit back, attach it again, and you can let it cool with this thing pressing. Now it has cooled, and then I remove it, and let's see how it fits. And now I can't feel anything here anymore. So now it's perfect. And another thing, if you have like shoes that is a tiniest bit like too short, so like you can feel your big toe pushing out, you can use this other thing I have. I believe it widens the shoe also, because it puts stretch here and there, but we will have a look. I bought this thing for 20 bucks, and it has 2 tons of pressure for lifting up the car, but it's hydraulics, so I put this one in the shoe, and then it has to be upright and tight so the liquid can go through. And then I just like to guide this one thing up. And you can like see it puts pressure inside here. Don't want to make it too much now, but you can see like it pressures up, it pushes, and it puts strain on all these bits, so the shoe gets a little bit longer, but I also believe it gets wider. So, but I usually use the heat gun with this also. So put on some heat, and then put some pressure. Then just release and push down the piston, and then remove it. And like that, the shoe now fits perfect.